This bracelet is really cool. It's probably got roughly 10 to 15 foot of cordage. There is little compartments that you can put things in on each side, and it also has a ferret rod to make fires. On this other end you have a whistle, compass, and a temperature gauge basically, and then you have your metal for striking the ferret rod. And then if you flip it over, there is a little multi-tool right here that you can pull out. That has a can opener, file. There's a little mini saw thing, and then there's also on this end, I believe that's a little knife. You have your 2 screwdrivers on this end, a wrench of some size, and then 2 flatheads. Thanks.